Hello mga ka-weddings! Welcome to Real Bride Magazine Vlog. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Fernwood, Tagaytay at makakasama natin ang isang event stylist, the same time event planner na si Miss Barbara Bennett. Hello, Miss Bambi. Good morning.
Hello again.
Yes.
Again.
Kamusta ka po ngayon?
Mabuti naman.
Ay.
And kumusta ka naman?
Okay naman po. Eto, thank you at binigyan mo kami ng time. Pinanlakan mo ang aking invitasyon.
Real Bride pa ba?
Yes,
Real
ayan.
Bride Magazine by Anna.
Ayun. So, Miss Bambi, meron kayong other profession before, bago pa itong
Sige.
pagiging event
Ikwento
stylist?
natin sa mga viewers na ano ba si Miss Barbara Bennett before naging event stylist and planning and coordination sa events. Siguro mga nasa 12 years na yan eh. I'm into professional makeup, hair and
Yes.
makeup, avant-garde, fantasy,
Yes.
wedding, photoshoot, film, lahat. So, yun ang pinagsimulan ko, makeup talaga. Makeup artist, prenup stylist, ayan, mga pre-debut, fashion shoot, yan, mga magazine shoots, yan ang pinagmulan ni Miss Barbara Bennett sa industry.
Ano yung, or sino yung mga naging inspirasyon mo sa mga paggawa mo ng mga designs, themes?
Inspiration.
Yes.
When it comes to inspiration, kasi may mga friends ako that they mentor me, especially yan, sila Rocky Gattercole, Fanny Serrano, Manny Librodo, marami yan sa makeup ha. Sa makeup. Pero kung tatanungin mo ako sa event styling na ba, kung sinong mga inspiration,
Yes, oo.
marami, ang daming magagaling. Nung nag-decide ako na mag-merge into event styling, tinignan ko sino yung mga number 1, ang dami nila. Marami, can I mention their names?
Sige po.
Nandiyan si Gideon. Alam mo yan, nandiyan si Michael Ruiz, nandiyan si Teddy Manuel, nandiyan si Dave Sandoval, ang dami nilang magagaling. So, ako ay baby pa lang sa event styling. So,
Ayun. So,
it's
ano
not too
yung
late.
naging, nagpa-change ng mind mo na from makeup artist, naging event stylist ka?
Because I've been doing makeup for 12 years and I want to grow and I want to be more. Kasi, I'm doing makeup as a start, face. Sumunod, I'm doing set design. Palaki na yan eh. And then, nagkaroon ako ng mga event from my family that na-request nila ako na ako gagawa ng styling. So, parang nag-accumulate na rin yung mga ibang gamit ko. Then, I started accumulating chandeliers. And then, okay, so gawin na natin tong career. So, ayun, ever since naman I'm into flowers. Mahilig ako
Colors.
maggawa ng mga flowers. Even in my photo shoots, yung mga flowers na ginagamit ko for props, mga set design, gawa ko naman yun. So, nakita ko that there is such a thing as event styling in weddings. Since I've been in a wedding industry for so long, we have an events place. So, iminerge ko na rin, sige na, karirin na natin. I want to be an event stylist.
Based sa yung experience as from makeup artist to event planner
And
event stylist, ano yung mga tips and ideas na pwede mong ibigay para sa mga soon-to-be bride?
Oo, mga soon-to-be weds. Marami. But first thing, you have to start with, do your research before you say yes or no. Kasi, don't say yes or no easily. Kasi, may mga makakaharap kang mga suppliers na tatanggihan mo, hindi mo alam na yun pala yung gem na kakailanganin mo to make your dream event come true. Or meron ka namang easily masasabihan mo ng yes, hindi pala yun. So, mag-research ka, i-research mo, matagal na ba sila sa industry, meron ba silang mga feedback na negative or positive. You have to look into that para safe. And then, syempre, doon pa sa trusted na yung matagal na rin talaga sa industry para talagang you're in a good path para magkaroon ka ng magandang wedding. So, maliban doon sa do your research, syempre, you have to come up kung ano yung budget mo. Budgeting
Yes,
is everything. Siyempre, gusto mo sobrang bongga, but you have to work on this budget. So, yun ang kailangan mong planuhin. Tapos, kailangan mo ng everything kailangan pagpaplanuhan mo kasi dream mo yan eh. Gagastosan mo yan, pinangarap mo yan, and it's a once in a lifetime event of your life. So talagang do your research.
Yun. Meron ka bang mga naging client na unexpected, na biglang dumating, ikaw yung binook, yung mga ganon?
Oo eh. Kasi may mga clients ako na naka-book na yan ng long before, like a year before. Yeah. Pero biglang may darating sa yung client na impromptu, nandito si Miss ganyan. Yan, gaya mga influencers like si Edeline Gonsalvo, si Miss EG. Bigla na lang yan itinawag sa akin na nakikita niya yung mga works mo and she wants you to style her dream birthday party. So ayun yun eh. And then through their connections, through their networks, it leads into another event ulit, like kay Rosmar, and then coming up, yan, kay Miss Meiko. Ayan, sunod-sunod niyan.
Ano yung personal point of view mo tungkol sa enhance and maintenance healthy relationship with clients?
Ay, importante yan. Relationship with clients. Unang-una, ang client mo, dahil natapos mo na yung event sa kanya, it doesn't stop there. You still have to communicate with them. You have to maintain relationship with them. You have to kamustahin mo sila every now and then so that they feel that they're not just a client.
Tsaka na ipapasa.
Then after that, alam nila na how you handle them, kung paano ka kaayos. So, pagka may friends sila, ikaw pa rin ang ituturo nila eh. Kasi, syempre, alam nila napakaganda na experience. Yeah, through experience. So, ganun. So, including yung mga bagong client lang na nag-i-inquire, hindi mo naman kailangan na super professional na kung anong tinanong yung sinagot. Hindi, I build relationship talaga. Parang personal lang approach ko sa mga clients ko. And then eventually, it become, from client to friends na parang family na rin. Parang tayo.
Thank you po. Ayun. So, as an event planner and event stylist at the same time, paano mo na-handle yung mga biglaang problema upon planning, preparation?
Sa event planner kasi, sa event planning, kasi hindi ko naman masabi na ako yung nagko-coordinate and planning. Yes, I plan the event. And then meron ako mga head coordinators and planners then that works with me kasi hindi naman lahat yun tungkol sa akin at hindi lahat ako. Siyempre, you have to collaborate and you delegate with the trustworthy people, yung mga may talent din sa industry, yung may heart, yung talagang mapagkakatiwalaan na magdi-deliver. So, I work with professionals. Siyempre, dapat professional. So, kung professionals kayo nagtatrabaho and pagka meron kayong project na ginagawa, alam nyo na yan kung ano yung mga parating na problema. So, before dumating ang problema, meron na kaming solution dyan na naka-ready. So, kahit hindi dumating si problema, may solution. Pero kung meron kakaibang problemang dumating na hindi namin na-anticipate, kami naman nagagawa namin ng paraan yun. There's so many way naman to solve problem.
So very important talaga na as head ng event planner is kilala mo talaga yung mga suppliers na kasama mo sa trabaho.
Minsan ang hirap din na bawa yung bride and groom, may kaibigan or kamag-anak na host. And sasabihin nila, I want my relative to be the host. So, ang hirap kasi syempre ang binibigay natin ng mga ka-collaborate at saka part ng project, mga professional. And sigurado na nothing could go wrong. Minsan na pinagbigyan ko, yung unang-una pa, pinagbigyan ko na relative ang kinuhang host. Ayun na nga, dinisaster ang buong wedding. So, yun na lang.
Buong
so,
program.
we just have to explain to them. Ang nagdadala. So, yun, nagsalita siya ng mga personal tungkol dun sa client na umiyak si bride. So, yun na nga. So, you just have to explain to them na, Ma'am, we've been doing this for so long and this is gonna be your first time. If you will consider, I will offer you yung professional talaga na mag-handle ng mga details sa event para wala kang stress. Parang good enough, nakikinig naman sila kasi syempre kung sino yung sinabi mo, alam naman nila na kilala mo yun nga yun, kaya nga events finest. So it's a collaboration of professionals, artists, and suppliers na pag sinabing galing sa Events Finest, talagang mapagkakatiwalaan. Quality talaga.
Yes. Oo. Ano yung greatest achievement mo as event stylist and as event planner?
Kasi to be honest, this events finest coordination and event styling, nag-start lang to after pandemic. So it's a baby. Pero kung tatanungin mo ang background ko sa events, I've been in the event industry for like 12 years, I think, or more. We're building venue, we're making dream weddings happen, photo shoot, makeup, and then eventually, in-official ko na siya into yun na nga, nagkaroon na ako ng company na Events Finest. So, bago pa lang siya, wala pa akong awards, wala pang recognition, pero for me, the satisfaction of the client, the beautiful feedback, the relationship, and yung nakikita kong joy ng client na deliver namin more than what they are expecting, yun, that's more than an award for me. Satisfaction yun for me at saka masaya ako doon.
So, 10 years from now, ano yung career visions mo?
Career vision, I want to grow more.
And paano ma-equip yung sarili mo para sa mga ma-meet mo yung demand ng mga susunod na generations?
Oo, syempre going back from being a makeup artist, then naging stylist, and then nag-merge na ako into event styling and events planning. So, you have to keep on growing, keep on learning, keep on researching, collaborating, and learning from other professionals. So, para naman magkaroon ka ng wider knowledge, nag-i-enroll ako ng mga seminars, sa mga workshops. Kasi, syempre, I admit sa event styling, marami pa rin akong kailangang matutunan, marami pa rin akong inspirations na kailangang ma-adopt. So, kung ano yung trend. So, kailangan mo pa rin mag-collaborate and get inspiration from the persons who are ahead of you. Yung talagang mas nauna sila sa'yo. Syempre naman, you have to keep on growing, learning, adapting, lalo ngayon sa social media. So, ayun, kailangang visible ka rin sa social media para makita ka nila and they know what you can offer.
Ayun, so saan ka po mako-contact ng mga possible interested clients?
I'm everywhere. You can contact me through my Facebook, Barbara Bennett sa Facebook, and I also have Events Finest. We have a page. And if you will, kasi ako rin ang general manager ng Fernwood Gardens Tagaytay. So if you will message in Facebook ng Fernwood Gardens Tagaytay, ako yung sumasagot kasi ako yung admin. So kaya yung lahat ng client na nag-i-inquire sa akin na ito yung budget nila, so ako yung nagko-customize. Kaya nasa planning din na masasabi mong events planning. Ako yung nagko-customize kung magkano yung budget niya, ano yung pwede naming i-workout, pagkasyahin para makuha niya yung dream wedding na gusto niya at nakabase sa sa budget niya. So, after na maiplan yun, and then ayun, I have events coordinators, siya naman ang nag-aayos ng lahat ng details dun mismo sa wedding. So, ayun kaya you can contact me through the Facebook of Fernwood Gardens Tagaytay. My Facebook is Barbara Bennett, tsaka Events Finest.
Ayun. So, ayun, thank you very much, Miss Mami.